Hello, Trello. I absolutely love Trello, and I'm asking for your support because what I am building can change lives. And so I want to show you what I'm doing. I have a lot of boards so that I can identify what all the people I know and all the people they know have expertise in order to give them referrals and get them hired. I created a Start Here board so that they can tell what the boards are for. I listed the purpose here, how agencies use it, and how freelancers use it. I have lists of all the boards by type of expertise. As you can see, that's a lot of boards. I list what I want them to do and how they use Trello, tips that they really need to make sure they grasp as they're using the boards. When I go to this group of boards, I'll give you an example. Let's say that I am a marketer and I don't have any in-house video marketing talent. So I need to go find someone that does that. These are the people that I know that do that kind of work. They create a card for themselves. It has their contact information on them, an explanation of what kind of work they do, pricing, examples, so that their clients, in her case, she has a $2.99 type video and a $500 video. There are examples of each type so that the person can decide what kind of video they really want and is this person right for what they need. So by doing what I'm doing, all these people with all these skills can be found by agencies. There's a lot of small agencies now that they're having trouble scaling. They get one of their existing clients wants them to do something they don't have expertise in, or they have more work than there are hours in the day. They can't go out and hire someone because after that project's completed, they won't have any more work for those people. And so they need to be able to find who is a freelancer that understands running their own business, that they can ask to do this project. They can either manage the project or just interact with the client or hand the project off completely. That's what all these boards are for. Okay, that's one of the things I'm doing with Trello. Now go back up here and click on Trello. Another thing that I'm doing is training the bloggers up and identifying them. So this is the blogger collaboration boards. Now this group of boards I still need to make a Start Here page for. Blogger resources and collaborators are the two important ones that I give everyone. Blogger resources contains everything a blogger would need, from what kind of hosting company to choose, to what theme they need to run, to what plugins they need to run, to what social media solutions we use, to how to make money. Everything that a blogger needs is on this one board. And as you can see, these are the people that already have access to this board, including Mari Smith, Christy Hines, MQ Todd, lots of very well-known people share advice on these boards. And so on a card, for example, you can instantly see who is using this tool. The more people that use a tool, the further up I move it in the list. We know that that's the popular one. We can see who's using it. There's the most recent video. A lot of times tools change over the years and you can't find which one is relevant to the current version. And so the most current video is at the top. There's the site, what it's for, reviews are listed under here, how it works, the case study that Ann Smarty did. This is a tool within the tool that's only known to the people. It's not actually public yet. And so these people all use it. So you're a blogger, you're using Viral Content Buzz, you have a question. You can ask any of these people and they can help you get your answer. They can teach you how to use it. They can refer you to this board, but hopefully you're already on this board. So here is my concern. All of this data has taken me 1,000 hours probably to compile. These people that I know, I've known because I've been online for years and years. I've been working on figuring out how to help small business survive Google for 7 years solid. That's all I've worked on. And so now I've created this, and this could be a game changer. But right now, any of these people could go in and accidentally delete a lot of stuff, or someone could be vindictive someday and damage everything, and there's no way for me to back this up. If I did back it up one board at a time, it would take me all day long to do that. And every day, more stuff is on the boards. So I'm at huge exposure to losing things. The other thing we use it for is I get collaborators, and I'm actually doing blogs by location. But right now, it's blogs by type. So this, in every board, the left column is what I want them to do, how to use it. Then we have blogging tips. We've got marketing blogs. So if I have a client, they need to find marketing blogs to write about their new solution, like Agorapulse for Facebook, for example. Then I can go and immediately see which bloggers are in that niche, what kind of blogs they have, how influential they are. I can click on the card and get their contact information. I could have made some notes here about what I actually write about. This is our shorthand: social media marketing, SEO, internet marketing, small business. I've got labels on every board that are different, so the bloggers can indicate what they want to be reached out to for, what they don't want to see. This is a game changer. I honestly believe that. The people that are using it believe that. I have agencies using it to find talent. I have brilliant people who are trying not to be homeless or end up taking a job as a waitress when their skills are so valuable, but nobody can find them. This is why I keep reaching out to you. I would love it if I could get you to just give me $50 worth of something that probably won't cost you anything, a pro account, so that I can back up these boards. And what I want to explain to you is I am teaching the influencers how to use Trello. My collaborators, the people that I actually work with every day, they're agencies, they're bloggers, they're freelancers. They are the ones that influence the customers into what tools that they need to pay for. And Trello will be at the top of the list because I am showing them the awesome ways you can use Trello. I teach them how to do blog outreach on Trello, how to manage giant projects that are totally scalable using Trello. I do brand strategies for clients. There's a brand strategy board that I use Trello to do so that the client can actually help me set the brand strategy. And so I'm doing this video so that you can understand where I'm coming from, that I'm really not just an average user of Trello. I am the person who has taught, already there are more than 80 people in our collaboration. I'll be happy to give you access to any of the boards. I'll be happy to talk to anyone that wants to talk to me. But the main thing I want to do is I can't, the risk, the fear of losing all this work, I can recreate it, but I have to make a living. I actually did without and ate beans and rice for 2 months to make this happen. And so I don't want to lose this. I need to have backups so that if something happens, we can restore the boards, because people are going to count on these boards. And these people are in a position to get people to buy Trello Pro. All of us, like as I do client work, once I show them the power of the board and I help them do the strategy, I can say to them, if you don't upgrade to Pro and something happens, you'll lose all this. So if you want to make sure you don't lose all this, you need to upgrade to Trello Pro, and that gives us some more ways to do this. The other thing that I'd like to do is I'd like to be able to control who can change what. Ideally, I would like people to have read-only access on what's there already, but that be able to create their own card. And so that's another thing that I don't know if Trello does. Maybe it does that already, but I don't know it. Maybe Pro does that, but I don't know it. And so that they can go in, and like I said, that card I showed you before, I want them to be able to go in, create a card. I teach them what to put on this card so that I can get them hired, so that other people know what they do. I know brilliant people that have a hard time making a living, and I don't know what each one of them does. But if I can get them to do this, I can get them work. When they get work, they'll take this really seriously. They'll get all their clients to buy Trello Pro. So this is why I keep bothering you. I'm hoping to hear from you. The easiest way to reach me is on Skype. My username is Growmap. On Twitter, I am @Growmap. Regular tweets work real well. If you DM me, please regular tweet me and let me know to look at DMs. I get so many I can't keep up with them. You can also email me at growmap@growmap.com. Same thing, avalanche of emails, hard for me to find you if I don't know what your email address is in advance. Or you can call me. My phone number is 214-444-6247. That number is 214-444-6247.